Hi sir.
Hello.
So sir, can you please tell us about your experience with Phillips Machine Tools?
From since 2005, we are using these Amol machines, and we have brought it from Phillips. I am working in maintenance department, and we are having a very good experience with the machines functionality, its repeatability, and all over the maintenance point of view also it's working very fine. So we are really very happy with this product, and we have almost all variety of machines with us. C30, C32U, then C22, C42, C50 as well. And now almost we have 30 machines with us from Amol. And in this year we are purchasing 2 more machines.
Yeah, that's it. So if you had a chance to adopt any technology from Philips, which one would you choose?
From Philips machines, yes, these controllers are very new. So we got very good experience to learn the new controller information and to learn the machining process, and variety of features in the machines, like temperature compensation system is there, which is definitely give the very good project results for the product in Indian weather conditions. So it's a very good technology in this machine.
So how do you see the relationship with Philips products ahead, like in future?
We are looking forward to long go with the Philips, because we are a very good experience with them.